LinkedIn aims to come at par with caliber of popularity which is enjoyed by conundrum giants like Wordle. The Microsoft-owned business and recruiting-centric platform is mulling over the addition of games on the platform. The idea behind bringing games to a social media platform whose sole feature of attraction is its decent and professional genre, which let people around the world brag about their milestones in their work lives, as well as keep an eye on the most beneficial role that aligns with their qualifications and skill set. The reportedly upcoming gaming experience will enable users to compete with friends, colleagues, and even the office next to yours on LinkedIn. With the introduction of games on the platform, the Redmond-based tech giant aims to come at par with the caliber of popularity which is enjoyed by giants like Wordle. Players score and will be determined by their workplace and ranked, letting them have one-on-one competition with another office or even across the country. Corroborating to the development and providing details about the game being developed, a LinkedIn official confirmed that the game the platform is about to see would be a conundrum puzzle based to the platform and would serve as a way to unlock a bit of fun, deepen relationships, and hopefully spark the opportunity for conversations. While not reflecting on the timeline of its arrival, the LinkedIn representative remarked that the development has entered a greater development phase than the one displayed in the images shared by OG, an app researcher on X, formerly Twitter, on Saturday. This comes as part of LinkedIn's efforts to widen its slightly diminishing user base and make the platform engaging to retain existing users. What adds to the surprising feat of the employment platform is the integration of OpenAI's GPT language models by the company last year, which it executed to allow users create compelling profiles and help recruiters write better job descriptions for the vacant roles they wish to fill.